and he just got the pigeon up. He just got the pigeon himself as well. Oh, you got the apple. Yeah. He took the whole apple.
Okay, let's go. Nice evening.